Have you ever been looking for a way to pay for your DSTV subscription on your mobile phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can pay for your DSTV subscription with just your mobile phone. So follow me to my screen so I can show you this method on how you can easily pay your DSTV cables on your mobile phone. So guys, I'm on my screen, and the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android application on our mobile phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store, and then we're going to search for the application called Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here's it. I've already searched for it before, and I'm going to click on this face, Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here is the application, and I'm going to click on it. So if you have not installed yours, you are going to see an install button over here, but I have installed mine, so I'm going to click on open. So I've opened the application, and a notification is going to pop up. If you have read the notification and you understand it, you just need to click on the understood button over here. And right now I'm going to click on the open button. Okay, so we are on our login page on the Recharge App platform, and if you have an account on the Recharge app, all you just need to do is provide your email and then your password, and you'll be able to log in. But for those who does not have an account, you need to click on register now. Click on register now, and then a page will pop up, and then what you need to do is to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and then create an account for this application. If you have someone who referred you, you can provide the referral code over here, and then you click on register. So I already have my account, so I'm just going to register immediately. So guys, we're right here on our dashboard, and if you are new to the Recharge app platform, what you need to do is to just go through the application and check out the features and the services of the Recharge app platform. So if you don't understand anything, you can just visit the our blog and guide section by clicking on the hamburger menu over here. And once you click on it, a menu will pop up. You navigate to the bottom side of the menu, and you will see the our blog and guide page. And you can also find the FAQ page over here, which will also assist you. But the our blog and guide page has content and articles that will support you and educate you on what you need to do on the platform. So here is the our blog and guide page, as you can see. So now we're going to focus on how you can buy TV subscriptions on your mobile phone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have funds on your wallet. As you can see, I have funds on my wallet. But if you don't have funds on your wallet, you can just click on the fund wallet button over here, this green plus button over here. And once you click on it, you see a dedicated account number that you can send funds into, and it automatically reflects on your wallet. As you can see, it is called automatic funding account. So if you send any money into this account, it will reflect on your wallet. This is like your personal account number. So once you have spun your wallet, the next thing that you need to do is to click on the TV payment over here. As you can see, the button TV payments. So once you click on it, a page will open where it will ask you to select the service you want to buy. So I'm going to choose the DSTV subscription, and I'm going to select my plan. So I'm going to select the DSTV compact plan, which is 10,600 naira. I'll select this, and then I will put in my IUC number. Note that the IUC number is the number that is behind your decoder. The IUC number is also known as the smart number for your decoder. Is what you use to subscribe for your TV subscription. So I'm going to input my IUC number over here. And once you input your IUC number, you input your PIN which you created once you created this account. And if you have done that, you click on verify. and then your name will come out, like it will show your decoder name. As you can see, this is the decoder name for this IUC number, and this name is correct. So I'm going to click on buy now, and then I'll click on OK. So a notification has popped up telling me that my transaction was successful and my service have been delivered. So if you got value watching this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get valuable videos just like this. And I'll see you in my next video.